Hello, this is SIG Node CI meeting. Today is December 6, 2023. Let's get started. It looks like we have an empty agenda. We have a couple of things. So Thaw will start December 13.
Yeah, so
Mhm.
when Thaw starts, typically it means that there will be a lot of test failure, and some tests will block the merge. So if you're around next week and you can help, please watch out for Thaw.
Thanks. And it seems our next meeting will be on January 3rd. So we're gonna start. This is the last meeting soon until then. Okay. Let's start with test script triage. I'm expecting not many failures, considering we have a freeze.
Yeah, I briefly looked. It all looks the same. So
Everything is same. Okay, then we can skip if you want, or do you want me to go with detail?
I don't see much reason. Like it's quite okay.
Okay, let's then go to this one. We have 4 issues today.
You have stopped sharing.
Oh, strange. Okay, sorry. Okay, flaking test. What problem detector should run without error? Let's see. Okay. It to convert to CRI container stats from format. Okay, this is strange. Seems to be a fucking kubelet. So we won't have DD. I believe it was reverted now. Okay. Just want to see which version. Yeah, from which version. From 9 to 13. Okay, that's a significant change. This should not run by default, and this should be opt-in. Okay.
I don't know about it. It feels that we want to run not problem detector.
But we have tests. I don't know if we have tests specifically for not problem detector.
We do. Those are failing.
Like there are no tests with it. Okay, then I guess yeah, it should run by default.
We do have tests for not problem detector, and they are failing. That's what
Okay.
about. So Antonio want to solve this problem by just disabling these tests.
Right. Oh, these are okay. Okay, got it. Yeah, that I don't think that's a solution either. And there's a new upgrade apparently proposed. Selecting is path.
Do you know if NPD start consuming more memory?
Not that I'm aware of. The last thing I remember, there might be some new features on it, but nothing that should be critical. I'm confused about this. Did we find a root cause for the failures? I know it says failed to convert CRI container stats format. But this is not related.
Scroll all the way down, then Antonio says that some pods fail to be scheduled.
That should not be an issue with MPD. Not that I know of. I am not aware if MPD runs as a daemon set or as a as a privileged daemon set or as an actual as a regular system D unit.
Yeah.
Did he
Maybe,
yeah,
I mean, those tests are run in parallel, so maybe some other tests blocking those.
that is really weird. Yeah, that might be the case. Is there any way to increase the size of the instances, maybe? That could actually help as well. But this should not be the issue, right? This, I don't know, this looks weird
And
for.
usually when it happens, we change test to serial because
Mhm.
if test depends on other pods to be scheduled, and those pods are blocked to be scheduled by other tests, and like
Mhm.
yeah, we need to run serially.
Okay. So yeah, I guess a proposition here would be to run serially. I guess we need an SIG on this. Need triage. Triage accepted for now. We'll move this to needs. Oh, there's no to do. I would like to work on this, but honestly, I don't know if I have enough time to spend in it.
You can CC
Ah,
yourself.
mhm.
I mean, there is no real CC on issues, so yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I think I'll grab it. Yeah, I mean, I'm already participant. That's fine. But yeah, let's move to the next one then. Never mind. It's not the one. Sorry. Oh, this is right. Okay, that problem detector is an external atom that should not be run by default. This is the one that you mentioned.
Can you see what he's doing?
I think
What?
it's just removing NPD from tests. Not feature and running serially. Yeah. Uh, oh, this looks like a flake. Is there the winner reviewer? You have a reviewer and approver, right? Do we typically triage PRs as well?
Yeah, there is need reviewer. So. Oh, oh no, sorry, I misunderstood you. No,
Mhm.
we don't need triage. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Because I saw that it needs triage level. I wasn't sure if it because this is the first time I see it. Okay. Yeah, just trigger the test again. I think you and Ben the Elder are assigned. On top. Okay. Let's see. Moving on to the next one. Update CNI plugins to 1.4.0. It's just a cleanup.
Yeah, we might need to do the same in the container repository.
Okay. Is there any reviewers?
Yeah, I think I approved it already.
Okay.
So from node perspective, it's done.
Okay, let's move to done. And finally, add swap conformance tests. Research, okay. Both have a conformance.
I think this is still under progress. I don't think the tests are passing. Can you check
Okay.
the
Oh, shoot, sorry.
bottom? No, if you scroll at the bottom, you'll see whether the tests are passing.
Yeah, none of them are passing. Okay.
Yeah.
These are not the conform. Oh, I guess they just adding conformance test until the job. Okay. They're
Yeah,
not.
he's adding text cases that explicitly use swap.
Okay. Then yeah, let's mark waiting on author. Okay. Let's see. Should be clean now. Okay. Yeah, we have no other issues. Yeah, I guess that's good for CI. Okay. I will hand off the meeting to anyone that wants to drive bug triage.
I can triage real quick.
Thanks.
Share my screen. Okay. Enabling the in-place update causes restart of containers in the cluster. Yes, we said it's by default. Yeah, I agree that we are not backporting anything for 127. Okay. Next one, the unit for huge pages page, not equivalent bytes of memory. I think we discussed it last week. Is it a continuation?
Yeah, we discussed last week, I believe, and we moved out from the bug triage. No, from the CI triage, sorry. Anyway, okay.
Some reusable CPUs are missing in CPU manager state default CPU set.
I was looking on that and discussing with the reporter. I tend to believe this is legit. I tend to believe the reporter is right, but I haven't time to have a deep look. So this is why I didn't set triage accepted and everything else. But looks really legit. It did quite investigation.
Is it already assigned to you? Do you want me to assign?
Yes, please. Why not?
Thank you. Ephemeral storage limits error container status unknown. Okay. So the reporter complains that once ephemeral storage limits are hit, pods are not being cleaned up. Gasoline. Okay, what's version 127? So fresh enough. No information container runtime.
I think we should assign this one to Kevin. He commented on here.
Yeah. The only question is it a legit failure? Do we have a record? Maybe needs information is a proper tag.
Definitely could add more info.
Yeah, I will not assign here. And we need kubelet log file. And also the reporter says that there is a timeout on killing container. So I wonder if maybe disk IO is overloaded. And typically surfaces as a fail to start container, but maybe something else there as well. Okay, I think this information should be enough. And I mean, maybe some noisy neighbor problem, or some like container runtime failure. So let's get to this information for now. Okay, Grace will not drain results and never cleaned up pods in various error completed phases. Yes. Just looking at title, yes. Whenever we gracefully terminate or drain, it's not graceful termination. Mhm. 128 Kubernetes, 1.7 container runtime.
Are they using jobs or other controllers here? There were changes in those controllers.
Various stateful sets and deployments.
Yeah, this might be fixed in latest version of K8.
Okay, so there is mention of that. Okay. I still don't understand if it's graceful node termination or it's manual drain.
I think I remember. Sorry, I just joined. I think I did look at this one. I don't know if there's really a bug here, but I think the person is asking pods are not being garbage collected when they're in error and completed phases, and I think that's normal.
I pasted a link to a PR for changes in stateful sets. It's in
Okay.
Zoom chat here. Okay, yeah, this one.
Okay. And I saw this link here. This is different, right? Okay.
Yeah, this one, the PR that I pasted fixes the state transitions in the stateful set controller. So it might be related to this one.
Okay. Great, no problem. Detector 20814. Okay. I don't think it's a bug. Wait it is. Okay. I will remove it from board. And last one. Okay. This one. Okay. Yesterday, this file yesterday. C advisor container network metrics missing with C right Docker. Okay. I feel it's a wrong repository for that. No, but, Okay. I think we I think we're done on the box. We still have some time, but so I'd like to go through some needed information. Okay, as we just looked, it will stale image based on stale image digest resolution. Okay, what we asked. Okay. From the last triage, we asked to use latest Kubernetes and ask which version of container runtime being used. Yeah, still 122. Yeah, 123 and 26 is better. Yeah, I wonder if it may be related to some what is it mirror configured there. Yeah, it doesn't seem like Kubernetes issue. I think we can keep it for here for a little bit, but then close it. CPU resource code that doesn't recycle. So what we asked last time. Okay, somebody asked to try on latest. We asked here. So latest comment to remove SIG storage, meaning that there is no updates. Okay, what we asked here. Oh, Aldo added new information. Okay, it doesn't appear on 127. Okay, still trying to understand if it's resolved the issue. Let's keep it at whatever. Okay. Yeah, that's what we looked at last time, I think. And there is some discussion happening. Okay, somebody mentioned that enable service link can fix the problem. Okay, so we'll see if it will help them. Sorry for scrolling back and forth. Just needed this person. Okay, it's updated last month. So yeah, I don't even need to look at this. Okay, yeah, I think we're done with this triage. Is there anything else anybody wants to mention before we go to long vacation? Okay, then, everybody have a very good holidays, and see you all in January. Bye-bye.
Happy holidays, bye.